People say to me all the time, Jeff, you must have the coolest apps to edit your photos on your phone. Yeah, I do. As a matter of fact, it's right on the main screen and it's called Apple Photos. This is a really rich, great app that many people ignore. You can dramatically improve the quality of your photo in just a few seconds by using one or many of the 15 sliders that are available to you. The problem is there's so many sliders and they're actually so similar they confuse a lot of people. I pretty much bank on two of them. The first one, which is the Magic Wand Auto that brightens the image, and another one called Black Point, which boosts the colors. Others are all variations of the same theme, making it brighter or darker, making it richer or less rich. Let's walk through them one by one so you get an idea of what sliders are at your disposal. The first one is Auto, the magic wand. The second one is Exposure, i.e. make it brighter or less bright. Brilliance, very similar, make the photo richer and brighter. Highlights, adjust the highlights. Shadows, boost or lighten the shadows, that is the dark parts of the image. Contrast, adjust the light parts of the image. Brightness, again, very similar. Right next to brightness, you have Black Point, my favorite slider. Saturation, this is your color intensity that you can adjust. Vibrance, very similar, but it's the contrast, the color contrast. Warmth is adjusting the color temperature. You can make it a little moody. Tint, very similar. Sharpness, this is when you have a blurry image and maybe you want to make it, give it a little more clarity. Then you have definition, kind of the same thing. Noise reduction. Now here's one that will come in handy, particularly if you do nighttime shots. You'll get artifacts, noise in your shot. Use that slider and you'll make it a little less noisy. And then finally you have Vignette. This will add a little black or white border to the image. Use sparingly and it looks really cool. So that's the 15 sliders of the Apple Photos app. That's where I start. If I want to go to the next level, then I go up to the Adobe Lightroom mobile app or the Google Snapseed app. Those are my two go-tos for the next level, but those are other videos. So stay tuned to the Photowalks TV channel for more travel and photo tips and tricks. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next Photo Walk.